Today, we continue to learn programming in Python language on the platform of Google Colab. Sometimes I should give my daughter some mathematical exercises. We can generate them ourselves in Python. So today, I will show you how to create a page of mathematical exercises. Create a page of exercises with answers, of course. We do not know to do them ourselves. So here's code. Now step by step, I will show you how to do this. Just as our last example, this is a two-dimensional table. So we can do it with a two level of for loop. So we can do it just as a for I in range. If we want to 7 rows, we can make it from 1 to 8. So 7 rows, and then for j in just range 5 columns, so 1 to 6, and 6 is not taken into account. We will just output an example of 11 plus 88 equals to what? Just like this. And we know that at the end of each expression, we do not want it to have a line break. So we will just add a tab to have some spacing between them instead of line break. And then at the end of each loop of j, and we will add a print to a line break. If we input nothing, that's just the one line break. If we add slash anti/slash end, we will have 2 line breaks, because by default a line break and slash end, there will have another line break. So what we will have is like that. Like that. Of course, it's not what we want, and we will modify it later. We know that all exercises are with random numbers. So how to generate random numbers in Python language? I don't know how with the fundamental or elementary Python functions. So I have to call an external library. So I have to import a library called random. And library here can be considered as a container with many developed functions for a certain task. So as its name, the random library is to generate some random numbers. So here with the random library, I can call a method called randrange. What does method mean? We will talk about it later. So here is a method to generate a number or an integer from 1 to 98, for example. Or we can generate a number from 1 to 99, like this. So we will assign this generated random number to variable a. And we can also generate a number and give it to b. And here, like what we have used last time, percentage sign with d form, decimal form, we can just insert these two values to this expression. Now let's see what it will give. Like this. Okay, we have some exercises. A small problem in this output is that the equal sign, the blanks are not well aligned, because the width of all generated numbers are not the same. So how to improve this? We can use another method to format this string with more details. We can use the method of pointer format, and here we have to use the notion of slot that is something to be replaced. and we can put the information between the curly braces. So the two variables are enumerated as 0 and 1. So we can give the sequence number of 0 to represent A, and 2 points to separate its sequence number, and the description what I want is to be aligned to the right side, so to the right side superior side, and I want its width to be 3, like this, to be 3, and I want its form, of course, to be decimal. This is for the number A, and then for the number B, what we can have similarly like this, and we will see what it becomes. It becomes okay. It's well aligned, but we see what we see each execution of this code, and all the numbers are regenerated. So each time the numbers are different. So yes, this is the position of B, and for B its sequence number is 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3. If there is only two variables, their sequence number is 0 and 1. And I will see what will give, like this. Okay, the variables are well aligned. We see that for each execution of this code, the generated numbers are different. So if we want to have answers of the same exercises, we have to find a way to freeze it. If not, just as what we see here, if not, if I want to have answers of these exercises, just replace by this, and then yes, the sequence number for the answer is 2, and its place is just here, A plus B here, and then we will see what it will give, like this. So maybe too little space here, and I will give more space to it, like this. Okay, they are well aligned, but they are different exercises. So how to do it? I know that in the library, in the random library, there's a method called random seed. So if we give the same seed for each execution, and the generated random numbers are the same, so I will give the same seed to the exercises without and with answers. So I will see what the result would be, like this. So 80 plus 98, 84 plus 6, etc. and 80 plus 98, 84 plus 6, etc. like this. So this is what we want. But there is no need to give always the seed as 0. Only as long as the seed is the same. For example, we can give a random, not random, any seed, as long as they are the same, and the generated random numbers will be the same, like this, and then like this. We will see the result. Yes, 71 plus 1, etc. Yes, they are the same exercises. Now, after having generated the exercises without and with answers, let's look together what the major points are in this example.